Hi, I'm Amos with Ramco, here today with the TG Tube Tool from SMC. One-touch pneumatic fittings are great, but releasing tubing from them can be frustrating. Sometimes the tube gets stuck in there like a Chinese finger trap. Then you're trying to release it with pliers, a wrench or something, and oftentimes end up damaging the fitting and the tube. Or worse yet, you can hurt your fingers trying to pull it out just right. The trick is to push on the outer ring while simultaneously pulling on the tube, which can be especially difficult in tight spaces. Thankfully, SMC has a tool that can do just that. The TG Series Tube Tool allows you to release tube from one-touch fittings quickly and easily. You can use it with one hand as the spring-loaded mechanism grips and pulls the tube while pushing the outer ring in one smooth motion. They're available in both imperial and metric sizes. The imperial has a red handle and the metric has a blue handle. You can work with two sizes of tube using one tool. Just turn the head around and you're good to go. For example, this one fits both 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch tube. This is a very helpful tool for anyone who works with pneumatics, such as maintenance personnel, engineers, technicians, and so forth. It makes working with one-touch fittings and tube much easier. If you're looking for automation products or solutions, contact Ramco today. We help you automate.